What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Jeep Renegade. So if your Renegade is in need of an oil change, you'll get a message on the dash saying oil change required when you start it or turn it in the on position. In order to clear that message, what we need to do is start with the Renegade off. Then I'm going to put the vehicle in the on position. So without pressing the brake, press the stop start button one time. Now what I'm going to do is press the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. And you want to make sure that you're pressing it all the way to the floor. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to turn the Renegade off. And now I'll start the vehicle as normal. So brake pedal, stop start button. And now that message should be cleared from your dash. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.